Hey everyone, welcome to another new video. This is Stay Outside and Explore. Today we're inside. I just got this gimbal from Hohem. Comes with nice instructions. The gimbal was fully charged. I just made sure of that. So I can put my GoPro on there when I'm doing videos, especially my casino videos and any other video that I do with my GoPro. As people tend to get older like I am, you tend to shake a little. So I wanted to make sure that the gimbal would remedy that, so you see a nice quality clear video, not something that's shaking all over the place and you think something's wrong with your eyes. So it comes with a charging cord and then some other cords too. I think you can charge from the gimbal to your GoPro. I'll have to look into that. But yeah, this is Hohem. I think I'm saying that right. It appears to be a really nice gimbal. I got it, like I said, I got it off of Amazon, and there was a lot of good reviews on it. So hopefully this will be really good for me. I like this little tripod here. It's like so small. So yeah, it comes with a nice little carrying case, and I'll add that to my collection of my other stuff. And as I'm doing videos, I'll do some reviews on it, and we'll see how it is. Seems pretty easy to operate, and I can't wait to use it on another new video. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I much appreciate it. And if you are a new subscriber and you want to put your name in the comments that you're a new subscriber, I will shout you out in the next video. I appreciate it, and I look forward to putting out some more videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see ya next time.